With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today's our question is at 3 atm and 17 degrees Celsius, a gas cylinder has volume of 10 liter. If the temperature of cylinder is increased to 47 degrees Celsius, how many liters of air measured at 47 degrees Celsius and pressure 1 atm should be let out to restore the pressure to 3 atm at 47 degree Celsius. So here we can see that we have the pressure and initial temperature, which is 17 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature is increased to 47 degrees Celsius and the volume according to that increased to some value. Now here we have to tell that how many liters of air measured at 47 degrees Celsius and pressure 1 atm should be let out to restore the pressure to 3 atm at 47 degrees Celsius. So here we can see that volume is constant in the first case. So if the volume is constant, we have ideal gas equation as PV is equals to nRT. And here the volume is constant, number of moles is constant, and R is always constant. So here we can see that P1 by T1 is equals to P2 by T2. So here if we see P1 will be equals to 3 atm since initial pressure is 3 atm, and then we have initial temperature which is 17 degrees Celsius, or we can say that 290 Kelvin, and which is equals to the final pressure which is P2, let it be P2, and then the final temperature is 47 degrees Celsius, or we can say that 320 Kelvin. So from here if we calculate P2 will come out to be 3.31 atm. So this is the value of P2. Now here if we see delta P will be equals to 3.31 minus 3 since initial pressure is 3 atm. So from here delta P, that is change in pressure, is of 0.31 atm. Now let the volume which is to be taken out be V, and we can see that we have the temperature constant here which is 47 degrees Celsius. So here with the same ideal gas equation, here we have temperature constant, this N number of moles is constant, and R is always constant. So here we can see that P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2. So from here initial pressure here is 1 atm, since in this question it is given that the pressure is 1 atm and the temperature is 47 degrees Celsius. So here if we put pressure as 1 atm and volume we have to find out, and then we have P2 which is delta P 0.31, and then we have V2 which is 10. From here we can see that V will come out to be 3.1 liter. So our answer is 3.1 liter. I hope you understood the question. Do practice this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.